Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you, or I give you a tip on how you can easily make a hanger loop or any kind of loop that you wish to do. We have here the cloth, and then you can make first a bias, cut a bias by doing like this. Okay, yes, and we will cut here in the center. Okay, now we can make a tiny, very tiny bias. Okay, it's 1 inches, or you can do as tiny as you wish to make. Okay. So now we have the bias. This is, and I'm going to teach you if you have difficulty on how to twist it easily or to flip it easily. Here's how you can do it. Okay, fold your thread in the machine, fold it, okay, long like this, and then you insert it in the bias, put it in the middle, okay, and fold the bias, okay, fold it and sew it, okay. This, and the thread is in the middle of your bias, so continue sewing as tiny as you want to do. Okay, so we have just 1/4 sewing. See, we have just 1/4, and then this thread that we inserted it before the start of sewing, pull it slowly. See, you can fold it. See, pull it, okay, and continue sewing. See, so the thread is inside, and we pull it slowly, so we don't need to use anything or string or something to flip it, just slowly. Okay, now you see the end come out to the other side, and continue. So okay, so we have now a hanger loop. See? This is a hanger loop. We can use it a hanger loop, or we can cut it like this to use in the button cups. to you. You see, we can use it as a button hole. So that's it, everyone. Hope you learned from me. Hope you like this video, and if you do, please leave me a comment, anything that you want to ask me. Hopefully I can answer. And please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell. So see you next time, everyone. Bye. Lots of love.